Ever wondered how to change your store hours? I'm Poch from Intention Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So as you can see, we're here on our dashboard. You're going to want to scroll down all the way to the bottom here to the settings portion. So when you click the settings portion, be taken to this menu. You can see here on the side, we have store overview, hours, taxes, delivery, and shopping. So we're going to want to click on hours. And that's it. You see this menu, and if you'd like to edit your business hours, just click the pencil icon. If you want to click your delivery hours, just click the pencil icon here as well. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.